Hi, I am Corporal Ivy with the Texas Tech Police Department. I am joined by students Emma Adams and Evan Estes as we discuss some of the common questions surrounding Senate Bill 11, or what is commonly called campus carry.
So what is Senate Bill 11, and how does Texas Tech comply?
Well, in June of 2015, Texas Governor Greg Abbott signed Senate Bill 11 into law, and it became effective for Texas Tech University on August 1st of 2016. This allows anyone with a license to carry the permit to carry a concealed handgun on campus and into many buildings.
This means a person who has a license to carry permit can carry into certain buildings, such as the Student Union Building and Holden Hall.
Since the passing of Senate Bill 11, Texas Tech University has been working to establish reasonable rules and regulations regarding this new law. The President's Office consulted with faculty, staff, and students to establish the operating policy 10.22, the concealed carry of handguns on campus. The university cannot change or modify the Senate Bill 11, but can establish certain areas to be considered exclusionary zones based on specific reasons. Exclusionary zones are areas where handguns are prohibited. These areas are designated with 30-06 signs posted all at public entrances. Some permanent exclusionary zones are the Student Recreation Center and the Student Wellness Center. List of all the exclusionary zones are in the Texas Tech Operating Policy 10.22. Now, if concealed handguns are allowed in certain areas of a building, then the access to those areas cannot be set as exclusionary zones. For instance, the university cannot declare the first floor of the library to be an exclusionary zone, but allow for carrying a concealed handgun on the other levels of the library. This would effectively make the whole building off limits. Just remember, if you are a license to carry holder, always pay attention to the 30-06 signs to make sure you are aware of which areas or building is an exclusionary zone.
While the state of Texas now allows open carry, Senate Bill 11 only allows concealed carry on university campuses, meaning that the handgun must not be visible at any time.
That's right. Senate Bill 11 makes it illegal for a license holder to carry a handgun in plain view or display a handgun intentionally or knowingly. Openly carrying or displaying a handgun on campus will remain illegal and subject to criminal penalties. However, if the handgun is displayed by accident and not intentionally, it will not be considered a violation. If you see someone displaying a handgun, please call the Texas Tech Police Department to handle the situation.
Texas Tech occasionally hosts events for high school students and even UIL events. How does Senate Bill 11 affect those?
A person with a license to carry permit will not be able to enter the building or area with their concealed handgun while the event is taking place. The restriction is also for anyone entering an area where any high school, collegiate, or professional sporting event is taking place. Texas Tech University will provide effective notice to the license holder to let them know the area is an exclusionary zone.
But what is considered effective notice?
Effective notice is either oral or written communication provided by the university as defined under Texas Penal Code Chapter 30. Notice can be given on a card or other document. Notice can also be a sign posted outside of the building or portion of the building. Again, these signs are the Texas Penal Code 30-06 signs. Texas Tech University will also widely distribute the policy, rules, and regulation to faculty, staff, and students. It is the responsibility of the handgun license holder to look for effective notice posted on the buildings or portion of the buildings and act accordingly as stipulated by Texas law. The license holder will be responsible for safely storing their handgun before entering an exclusionary zone.
Here are some points to consider. First, as of 2015, there were approximately 937,000 handgun license holders in the state of Texas, according to the Texas Department of Public Safety.
Second, with a few exceptions, a handgun license holder must be 21 years of age or older. This automatically eliminates many students from lawfully possessing a handgun.
The third important point is Texas state law has allowed licensed handgun owners to carry their concealed handguns on campus grounds since 1995. The main difference with Senate Bill 11 is now the handgun license holders can now carry into many buildings on campus.
Fourth and finally, remember House Bill 910 legalizes open carry of handguns, and Senate Bill 11, also known as campus carry, legalizes the concealed carry of handguns on campus. These are two different laws in the state of Texas, and neither law allows the open carry of handguns on institutions of higher education.
If the handgun license holders are responsibly carrying their handgun as mandated by Texas law, they shouldn't stand out any differently than someone not carrying a handgun.
The main takeaways for campus carry are:
Number 1, Senate Bill 11, also known as campus carry, allows licensed to carry holders to carry their handgun concealed on campus and into many buildings as of August 1st of 2016. Number 2, Texas Tech University has established rules and regulations involving campus carry that have been put into place by Dr. Skuvenek. The operating policy is 10.22 and will list all of the areas that are exclusionary zones, which are posted by Penal Code 30-06 signs. Texas Tech will widely distribute the operating policy to the faculty, staff, and students.
Number 3, license to carry holders may not carry their handgun with any other firearm, illegal knife, club, or prohibited weapon. And number 4, license to carry holders must not display a handgun wholly or partially in plain view, intentionally or knowingly. Remember, campus carry is not open carry.
Thank you, Emma and Evan, for your help and participation. Thank you for taking this time to watch this presentation. I hope this helps you better understand Senate Bill 11, which we call campus carry, and how it has impacted Texas Tech University. The university remains committed to keeping everyone safe and making this campus a great place to live, learn, and educate. Please contact the Texas Tech Police Department for any questions, concerns, or information regarding campus carry.